You know what? In this episode, I reckon we're going to do something pretty fun. I want to go and run around the yard, front and back, and count how many trees and shrubs I have that are edible. So let's get straight into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So currently I have 57 plants, that means trees, shrubs and vines, planted in such a small block. My block is only 500 square meters, which also includes the house, the driveway and so forth. So it can really show how much stuff you can actually plant. Plus on top of that, I'll be planting vegetables. Anyway, until the next video, I'll see you. Bye. Love you guys. See you.